it's Austin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. Well, a very good gliding one. And after that, I'll show you how it flies outside with a little bit of wind. First, you need a 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. Fold it in half hot dog ways, which is the long ways. Now take the corner and fold it to the middle crease like this. And do the same with the other side. Now, like a dart, do the same. Take the corners again and line it up with the middle crease. Like this. I kind of call this a shad dart because it's a bit different than a dart. And it should turn out like that. Now, fold it, the tip down and line it up with the middle crease all the way down to the bottom, like this. Now, take the top and fold it up like this. So there's about an inch of space right here. 1.5 inches. Now, fold it in half like this. And now, take the dart part and start bringing it to the bottom. And just do that all the way over. Try and keep this line all the way down so it looks like this. Do the same with the other side. It should turn out looking like this after you're finished. And I have a tip, literally a tip. Sometimes, you know how if they have sharp points and it keeps crashing, they'll bend over like this? Well, if you open it up and fold the tip down just a little bit like this, and fold it back into place. Look it still has a tip, but it won't get hurt. Okay, now I'm going to show you how it works, inside and out. First, let's do inside. Pretty cool, right? Now, we're going to try it outside. Hold Jeremiah. Just a minute. Okay, ready? It actually went pretty high and far. Not as far as my other airplane I just did. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.